Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through the largest convention center in Jamaica. We're driving through the Montego Bay Conference Center. And as the name indicates, it's located in the second city in Jamaica, which is Montego Bay. So we're just going to give you a brief history about the convention center as we drive through. As you'll notice, it was built by the Chinese, so you're going to notice a lot of Chinese architecture. And this is, well, as we said, it's the largest conference center in Jamaica. The second largest one is in Kingston, in downtown Kingston. It's the Seabed Authority. I think that's the name of it, but it's in Kingston. This one is in Montego Bay. So the Montego Bay Convention Center opened its doors in 2011 as the perfect venue for conventions, trade shows, banquets, and theater-style conferences. The center was built as a response to a growing need for meeting and convention facilities on the island of Jamaica. The center was constructed by the government of Jamaica in conjunction with the Chinese Development Bank. Soaring ceilings add volume to the 57,525 square feet of contiguous exhibit space, which accommodates general sessions, setups, and up to 260 exhibit booths. This space may be sectioned off into two halls with separate loading entrances for simultaneous shows. So the Grand Ballroom there are two halls basically. The Grand Ballroom spans 18,684 square feet with banquet seating for up to 1,260 guests. Pre-function and breakout areas extend the ballroom space by 6,286 square feet. So that just gives you an idea of what is inside this conference center. Now, in terms of meeting space, the conference center offers 10,161 square feet of flexible meeting space, and the Montego Bay Convention Center has 9 meeting rooms that can accommodate events of all and varying sizes. And this is what it looks like, the outside. That just gives you a history of the convention center. So this conference center now, it's situated along the elegant corridor of Rose Hall, Montego Bay. The Montego Bay Convention Center, with its oceanfront location and panoramic view, offers the very best meeting and convention facilities in the Caribbean. With a combined total of 139,302 square feet of meeting, exhibition, and ballroom spaces, this world-class facility will provide you and your guests with our superior event management and personalized first-class service from set up to move out. So that is what the Montego Bay Convention Center posted on their website, just to give you a brief summary of what it's all about. Alright guys, so enjoy the tour as we drive around the rest of the facility. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.